Hello, in this lecture we are going to discuss about HTTP in Internet Programming. What is HTTP? HTTP stands for Hypertext Transfer Protocol. It is one of the popular application protocol used in an internet. HTTP is a stateless protocol because every request made by the client is considered as a new request. HTTP can be called it as request response protocol based on the client server. How HTTP request and response message will work? When user enter the URL in a browser to get web resources using HTTP, the browser turn URL into request message and send it to the HTTP server, where HTTP server interrupt the request message and return the response message to the client. So mainly HTTP message consists of HTTP request and HTTP response. HTTP request message structure. It consists of four fundamental elements: start line, header field, blank line and message bar. What is start line? Start line is a client initiate an action to the server. It consists of three elements: request, HTTP version. Request method, it describes what action to be performed. It has different request method: get, post, head, option, put, delete and trace, in order to fetch the information from the server or push some data into the server. The next one, request URI. URI will be Uniform Resource Identifier, is used to identify the resources on the internet. URI is a combination of Uniform Resource Locator and Uniform Resource Name. Finally, HTTP version. It gives what type of HTTP version is used when request and response is made. This will be the simple structure of HTTP request message structure. The first line indicates the start line, where it consists of three elements: request method, request URI and HTTP version. Here the request method used is get and request URI will be www.google.com and version will be HTTP 1.1. Next, header field. It gives some additional information about the request to the server: what host we are requesting and whether the connection should be alive and length of the content and what file can be transformed. Next, blank line and message body. When we use the request method is a get, the message body is not necessary. When we use the post method in a request, we have to mention the message body in a structure. Next, HTTP response message structure. It is similar to HTTP request message structure. In start line, it consists of three different fields: HTTP version, status code and reason pass. The version will define the types of version will be used. Status code, numeric code indicating the type of response. So the reason, it provide the informations about the status code. Here 1.1 will be the version, 200 will be the status code and give the information about the status code will be the OK. So this example which define the request and response made can be done successfully. Next, this will be the simple example of HTTP response. The first line which indicate the version and also status and reason code. The next, it gives some additional information when request can be made and request and response will be made and what server we are communicating and when the response will be modified. Some features of HTTP protocol are: it is a communication request response message. It is a stateless protocol. Request response message consists of a plain text. Thank you.